We're waiting for a train to Prague, Czech Republic. We're currently on the ramp, no? Ready to board the train. Train is leaving 1:30, no? In the afternoon. So today it's 1:10. So anytime soon the train will be arriving, no? Because they're more or less on time here. So other side, these are city shuttles. This is the entrance to the train station going up. Okay, just waiting for our train to arrive. So this is the elevator going up. Going up. These are the rails, no? Yeah. What will be the next generation of heavy travel? So far we're using yung railway talaga for the last 100 to 200 years. So ayan, no? People are still waiting for the arrival of the train. The other side, city shuttle. Now you have a lot of people. Okay, the train is rail jet. I know the same train may sakyan din namin. It is really rail jet also.